Okay, praise the Lord. As I was saying, I am here because of priority opportunity. Pastor Price happened to be a member of this association. It's an association of businessmen and women that exchange money in millions. So that is why when you hear me talking here, you understand what I'm talking. It is a doable transaction. So I urge you to enter into this opportunity and become free from financial bondage. I am a financial prophet that God has raised to deliver people from financial captivities. And this is a summary. And tomorrow at this particular address is by 2 o'clock for them. Is where I want to unveil it to everybody in all Africa. I happen to be the sitting president. Before you can become a president of Africa Investor in Diaspora, you must have traveled to 7 countries. And as small as I am, I have traveled to 73 countries in the world with a ministry in United States of America. New Kingdom World Christian Ministry is my ministry. I am the general overseer of that ministry in Maryland. And everybody in that church are white people. I am the only black man. I am the only black man. You can Google it, you can confirm that. Am I communicating? God can do anything. God can do anything to elevate whosoever. You only need an opportunity to enter. You only need to be connected with the right destiny helper. So I am here to read out what we have for you. As I said, there is always an opportunity in problem. If we all have money, when they are calling for book launch, we wouldn't have been sitting down like that. Everybody will come and support. But that is the reason why I am here to share to you what I have done. As I speak to you, within the space of 1 month, I have helped more than 4, 5, 6 people in this particular church to become millionaires. I'm telling you a fact in this particular church, and more are on the journey. And I want you to be in this journey. This is what we do. We carry out corporate social responsibility. Students will be going to school. Our company gives us scholarship. Even though the gateway will be open between tomorrow 1st November to 15 November. We can give your children school fees a scholarship of 50%. This is what you need to do. If you need any of this, you become a member, a priority member of this particular church, because it is the one that give me the key for this particular platform. So you have a priority code of him. He has a code, you have to write it 000100. That is his code. 000100. In other words, if you want to do business with, you are not permitted to do business until you pass through him. If you pass through him, meaning if you go to our office, you give this number, anything you do will be captured under his platform. And you stand a chance to benefit anything you want to. Like number 1 is the scholarship. The scholarship, student, either primary, secondary or university, you only need to pay 50% of the school fees of your children. And give us the account number of the school. You give us the account number of the school. We are going to pay 100% of your child's school fees. Know that you are returning it. It is part of the association corporate social responsibility. I break it down. If your school fees of your children is 100,000, what you just need to do is to register as a member of the association with a 5,000 naira for 1 year. All the website idea, international website and everything, you register online. Or you pay directly into the association account in Facebook. It is written under. You pay and submit the teller in our office, and submit the name of your children and the class or whatever with their admission letter. By first time, that is January, we are going to the school and pay. In fact, we will use this December and pay in advance. That is, before your children will go to school, their salary, their school fees have been paid. This is an opportunity. Can you jam your hands together? Jam your hands together. As I say, I discover you are tired. I don't want to waste most of your time in my ministry. They trust me, and I'm going to trust them. What did they trust me with? They trust me with just 1 million naira. Just 1 million naira, and I give them the space of 45 working days. And that 45 working days will end on 19. And that 19 December is when they will cash the money. Then we shall have a book launch. That is in NAF Club Abuja, where even Dangote, the wife of the president, and many people will be in attendance to witness that ceremonial and award presentation. So they engage themselves in this business because it's a business. I am a trader. These 100 people, this is what we do. These 100 people bring in 100 million. And I took this money and trade with it in the international platform in Germany. In other words, I trade physical business. And we are able to get nothing less than $2 million. And this $2 million, when we convert it to Naira, is what we use to divide it. And we apportion for 5 million Naira for this 1 million. The remaining one goes to the association. This is the kind of money that we can use to give anybody that we want to give. Because $1 million can share to 100 people. The remaining $1 million is for the association return of investment. We do PPP. PPP means private placement program. It is an international program where you put $100 million in one of the 7 prime banks in the world. I'm talking about Chase Bank, Barclays Bank, Westpac, all those 7 HSBC Hong Kong. You put your money there, and every week for 52 weeks you will be giving 20% of that money. Every week. This is a physical, verified business that anyone can do. So this is what we do with the money. Am I communicating? So anyone that wants to become part of it, if you don't have 1 million Naira, you can peer. 2 of you can join to have 2.5. You don't have 1 million. 4 people can join 250 to get and share. I'm just giving an opportunity. So these are opportunity. The only problem is it's going to be closed by it's supposed to be by tomorrow. But because when I speak with him, I said this church, because I'm meeting you today, I will extend it to Thursday for anyone that join. I will extend it to Thursday for anyone to take advantage of it. Then we have a special one that we have been doing, and it's called Double for Your Trouble package. This one is going to last the same thing on the 5th of this November. Double for Your Trouble means you have 100,000 Naira. In 14 working days, you'll be credited with 200,000 Naira. And what I do, I can give you post-dated check. If I give you check, you don't even need to call me, just go to the bank. If the bank bounce, from the bank, walk to EFCC. Walk to EFCC and report that company. That is the only guarantee that I can give you. That is, if I give you, for instance, now I give him this check. If you present this check and he cannot cash the money, he has right to take that particular case to Economic and Financial Crime Commission. It is a 7 years jail time. Am I communicating? So that is the only opportunity. I'm not forcing anybody, but I'm just telling you that there is opportunity around. That God has stepped down. God has heard the cry of my people, and that is why He has sent me as one of the deliverer to deliver you. Can you jam your hands together? Jam your hands together. So I have unveiled 3 things now. Number 1, I said scholarship. 50% of your children's school fees between now to 15, you key into it. Number 2, you want to become a millionaire that will be celebrated on the 21st during my book launch. You get 1 million Naira between now and Thursday. Pay into this account. Give us, write the code 000100, which is his code. I will give you our office address here. You meet us and submit and collect your check. If you want the check, you collect. If you want us to transfer, we do the transfer. Which other way we can do both. So the number 3 is this Double for Your Trouble, which is going to end by Thursday, which is 5th also. After that, anybody that is coming in the platform will pay whatever amount you pay. It will be 50%, but in 30 working days. This is what is available after Thursday. 50% in 30 working days. This is guaranteed. This is guaranteed. This is not MMM. This is not all those business that people have done and lost it. So these are the products and services that we have. We also have subsidy. You want to buy anything, we have 25% card for you as long as you are a member of this association. So because of time, I don't want to waste most of your time. Tomorrow I will have time to give detail about this. If you are free, you can come, but if you are not free, you key into it, or you meet us in our office. You can write it, Vawa Plaza, Block 11, last floor, Vawa Plaza, between Ado Bridge and One Man Village. Ado Bridge and One Man Village. Because you are pastors, you are general overseers, I will grant my own personal phone number for you and the office number that you can communicate in case you need further inquiry. My personal number is not for call, but you can do WhatsApp and chat me. I can guide you, I can counsel you, I can advise you on how to become financially free. You can take the number if you wish. My personal number is my direct number, it's also my WhatsApp. Then let me give you the customer care number before I give my number, because I want to off it. He that have an ear, let him hear what the Spirit says. But I want to tell you, it is my wish that 100 people, face 100 people to benefit in this opportunity. 070 38 26 03 66. I take it again. 070 38 26 0366. Then you can take another one, or the office line 090 66 16 9952. Then take my own. Strictly for WhatsApp only, or text message 081 11 46 034. 081 11 46 034. I urge you, take advantage of this. You will never remain stranded as far as financial investment is concerned. Thank you and be blessed.
Please a hand of applause for Pastor.